Good morning. I'm Shreka, Department of Chemistry. On the previous sessions, I have already discussed about this reference electrode. So, reference electrode is something that it is a coupling of electrode with another reference electrode which is accurately fixed as zero. So, with this reference electrode, the primary reference electrode we can see that is SHG and it uses the 1M HCl and H2 gas at a 1 atmosphere pressure with this EMF voltage of 0 voltage. And now we are going to see about the secondary reference electrode, that is Kelongel electrode. So here the secondary reference electrode can be used for the various purposes by industries and the companies, whether it can be used in the electrodes like the reference and the Kelongel electrode. So here I have given this secondary reference electrode. The reference electrode in this Kelongel, which consists of a platinum mercury at the bottom, which is that the platinum electrode, which consists of a mercury at the bottom, over that Werpers chloride is placed and the remaining portion is filled with the saturated KCl solution and the wire is connected to a platinum wire. So, Kelongel electrode, which consists of a platinum electrode in which the mercury consists at the bottom, over the Werpers chloride and the saturated KCl solution, which is connected to the platinum wire. This is the process for working of Kelongel electrode. And now the cell representation, how the cell can be represented by using this Kelongel electrode. That is, the cell representation is mercury, Werpers chloride, platinum, and the saturated KCl solution, and produces the EMF voltage of E0 equal to 0.2422 voltage. So this is the cell representation, and the cell representation we can do by using this work potentials developed by using this electrode, that is mercury, Werpers chloride, saturated KCl, platinum, with the EMF of the voltages of 0.224 voltages. So with this constructions we can denote by using this whether the reactions between the anode and the cathode. So with this anode reaction, the metal Hg, which contains with this 2 molecules of Hg and which reacts with metal ions Hg2 plus 2Cl minus. So in this the electron can be loss of electron, and with this reaction the Hg goes into the solution as a Hg2 plus, and already we have the reactions of Hg2 plus Cl2. In this the Hg and Hg2 plus join access to form Cl2 ion, in which it reacts as Hb2 plus 2Cl minus, and which reacts with as Hg2Cl2 in the common reactions. So in this anode reaction, we have to take the overall reactions, and we can, for taking the overall reaction, we can cancel these reactions by saying reactions. So we can cancel this Hg2 and Hg2 plus, and the balance remaining reactions we can carry out in this work overall. 2Hg plus 2Cl minus with the personal reaction which gives Hg2Cl2 plus 2Cl minus. So this process is called as a Mangold reverse reactions, whether it is the form of metal. And by using this, in which the Cl minus ions get decreases because the electrons can be loss of electrons. And by the next process, we can consider this cathode. By using this cathode, we can identify that Hg. Here, the second process is the reversal of the anode reactions can be converted as a cathode reactions. That is HgCl2. HgCl2, which gives Hg2 plus 2Cl minus with the reversible. And by this Hg2 plus 2 minus, which gives 2Hg. So following process which has a gain of electrons. So here also we can cancel the same reactions to get the overall reactions for the cathode. So we can cancel the Hg2 plus and Hg2 plus, and we will get Hg2Cl2 plus V minus with the reversible of 2Hg plus 2Cl minus. So this is the process for the cathode, and from the overall reactions of anode and the cathode, we can carry out the reactions, and from this cathode reaction, we have the 2Cl minus ion has an increasing value due to the electrode potential. And with this, the equation, we can derive this equation in this first equation. E is equal to E naught C minus RT by 2F ln Cl minus.